Hi, welcome back to BKM Tech and Gadgets. So in this video today, I'm going to be reviewing some RGB floodlights, which a company reached out to me and sent these to me. So just a quick disclaimer, I'm not being sponsored or paid by this company at all. So it's just my review on these RGB lights. So here are the lights here. So it's a company called Olafus. So these are the RGB lights that I will be reviewing today. So let's get into the video and review these lights. Hi, so here we are. We have the Olafus RGB 10 watt smart LED floodlights. So these are them in the box. So just going around the packaging here. So Olaf's 2-pack 10 watt RGB Wi-Fi LED floodlight. So these are really bright as well. Got an on and off beam at different angles as well. So there's 2 in this box. So I'm just going to open the box now and show you what's inside. So let me just open the box. So as I open them, you've got the instructions there for the smart LED, and I'll go through the app and how to set it up in a minute as well. So those are the lights in the box. Come very tightly packaged. So let me just take one of them out of the box. I'll just put the other box to the side here. So there's the RGB light. So the IP66, so you can use these outside. And there you go, it's a 10 watt one. So it's got some heat dispersion on the back, just to let the heat out as well while it's on. And you've got this thick industrial cable as well. The only thing I don't like about these, the cable's not that long. It's only about 2 foot long. So you'd have to be careful where you put these lights. But that's them outside the box. Like I said, you get 2 in the pack. So they look really well built as well. Good quality. So you've got this adjustable arm as well, so you can put them at any angle while you sit them down anywhere. So you've got that adjustable arm there. And I think you'd be able to fit these to a wall as well if you wanted to, if you're going to put these outside. But like I said, because the cable's not that long, you would have to, put them near a power supply and get them connected up like that. So I'll show you the app and how to set them up. So this is the instruction manual here. So as you can see, the Olafus Smart LED light. So you can use them with the Amazon Alexa and the Google Home as well, so you can turn them on by your voice. So it does say in the manual that you have to scan this QR code and use the Smart Life app. Now, when I was setting these up, the Smart Life app didn't work. So I've got another app that I did connect them to, but the Smart Life app didn't work. I'll just show you the app on my phone and show you how it is connected as well. So once the app's downloaded, so the app that I downloaded it to, because I've got some obviously smart home devices in my house that do use different apps. So this is the eFamily app, because like I said, I did have difficulty trying to connect these to the Smart Life app, which was recommended on there. As you can see, you've got the Floodlight 2 installed on there. I'll just turn it on. So that's it. So as you can see, I've got it on that purple colour. Let me just dim the lights a bit so you can see a bit better. So that's the floodlight there on the dim, well, I've dimmed the light, so that's it there. So I go into here, press that. You've got a colour wheel here, so you can change all the colours. So let me just bring that in. So as you can see the floodlight there. So as you turn the wheel, you can change it to different colours. Obviously that's a yellow there. Might not be able to see it on the camera, but there we go, green. Then you've got a blue light there as well, and a purple as well. So that's the app there. You can turn that down as well. So you can turn the light down. So got it on the purple there, and there you go. You've got it on the red, yellow, and green. Then you can have it just on like a white light as well. So look, that's really bright, that's just on the white, and you can dim it down as well, or you can turn it up. So that's really bright there. So let me just put that back, and then you can put it back onto the colour as well. You've got some scenes as well. This app, it would be similar to the Smart Life app. So you've got different scenes there. And I think that one changes the colour. So that will just go through to different colours, so you can have different scenes as well on there. So as you can see it going through different scenes. This light is really bright, and then you can just turn it on and off the app just by turning it on and off there and turning it back on. Now what I'm going to do, like I said, I've connected it up to my Echo. Echo, turn floodlight 2 to red. Echo, turn floodlight 2 to green. Echo, turn floodlight 2 to blue. So as you can see, you can change it by your voice as well with the Amazon Alexa or the Google Home, but I've connected up to the Amazon Alexa. So let me know in the comments below if you had problems setting it up with the Smart Life app. If you can't get it to connect up with the Smart Life app, there's the eFamily app as well that these floodlights do connect to as well. So I'm really impressed with these lights, you know, the really bright lights that I said you could use outside as well. So, you know, they're really bright and they're really good quality as well. I will leave the link below as well where you can purchase these lights, the Olafus, and I'll leave the links below. You can get them from Amazon or the Olafus website as well. I do believe they are about £42 for the pair, and they are 10 watt smart LED light. So like I said, these were sent out to me by Olafus, and I'm just doing an honest review on here. So let me just turn this light back up. There you go. So like I said, they are IP66 weatherproof as well, so you could use these outside or you can use them inside as well. And like I said, they are well built, and you could attach them to a wall as well. This attachment there, and you can angle them, and there's the heat disperser at the back of the light. They are quite small. I'd say they're about 4 inches by 3 inches, but for the size and everything like that, you know, it's a really bright light. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video regarding these smart LED lights. So if you're new to my channel, could you subscribe and comment below if you'd be looking to purchase this. I hope to see you soon. all again on my channel on BKM Tech and Gadgets. Have a nice day.